This state must be guided. We cannot allow people who don't have interest of this state to take over the affairs of this state. We will not allow that. People who have looted the treasure of this state, clearly.
I am speaking as a great man who is the conqueror of the British Empire.
They can run helter-skelter to stop their arraignment, but they must be arraigned, they must be tried. What Rivers people will hear, Rivers people will be shocked in life. What the former minister, the former governor, what he did in this state.
I wanted to confirm to you, I have liberated my country economically, and I am economically strong, and that is why I said I uprooted the British imperialism from Uganda, and Uganda is now pure Africa.
This is a trial. So Nigerians will hear, Rivers people will see how this state was looted. And then they come outside and begin to pretend. And then in order to cover it, you still want to bring the same person.
We, Africa, we have been weak because we allow ourselves, our brothers, to go and invite some country. But if the whole country in the continent of Africa can show an excellent example, like our beloved leader.
If we can check the DNA of Godwin Obaseki, what we see in that DNA is betrayal, serious betrayal, and ungratefulness. The DNA of Obaseki is what? Betrayal, serious betrayal, and ungratefulness.
Doctor, you must be very clean, very smart, behave very well like a person, and also you are not too drunk. You are the one who should advise the public. You should advise general mean not to drink. This is very important, because also to drink and overdrunk, it is not very good. You will not even enjoy more because you will not even have sense. But if you drink very little, you feel very happy, very proud, and you talk to your people. That will.
Rather, it was when your godfather chased you away, and you came begging, kneeling down. People came with pressure, and we allowed you. Ordinarily, you're a tenant. Ordinarily. Now, I already said, Nigerian leadership, not bullies. No problem about that. You came to beg a bully for you to have a ticket. A bully was a DG campaign, and the bully bullied you into a government house.
Very hard. You must not make the women's of Uganda very weak. They must get up quickly in the morning at about 5.